I'm learning because my ex-boyfriend is American
Oh, that's why.
and I try.
It's the reason you learn
Yeah.
English. So that's great.
Yes. I'm good. How are you?
I'm so good. Where are you from?
Yeah. What? I'm from Mexico, and you?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, nice.
And
Ya no sé qué decir, güey.
I'm, I'm first time talking to
What?
someone from Mexico.
Oh, nice. No
Yeah.
lo entendí. Yeah.
And
I'm sorry. I don't speak English. Yeah.
no, you speak English very good. How you learn English?
Thank you. Thank you.
So, especially which language do you use for speaking in your country?
Spanish.
Spanish.
Yeah.
And you learn English?
Sorry?
You learn English? You learning?
Yes, I try.
But why you
¿Qué
learning
lo dije
English?
bien?
It's hard or easy to learn English?
I'm learning because my ex-boyfriend is American
Oh, that's why.
and I try.
It's the reason you learn English.
Yeah.
So that's great.
Yes, but I try is difficult.
Okay. I'm also learning English. It's not
Yeah.
my native language.
Mm-hmm.
I'm from Bangladesh.
No, sorry, I don't understand what.
I'm from
No lo entiendo,
Bangladesh.
hermano.
We speak Bengali language.
Bangladesh?
Yes. And English is my second language. That's why I'm learning English. Same here. You also learning. So we can talk here. Give me a follow back.
Okay, it's nice. I like that. 1 minute.
And why,
Perfect.
why your boyfriend is break up with you? What is the reason? May I know?
A ver, sorry, repeat. Emprendo lento.
Okay. Why your boyfriend, ex-boyfriend, is leave you?
I don't know. No sé qué me preguntó el chile.
You don't know the reason?
No?
Okay. So how long
No.
ago it's happened?
Yeah. Oh, maybe. No entiendo. I'm sorry. My English is bad. I don't speak English.
No bad. You can understand. So it's good. And I'm also learning.
Yeah, but you need to repeat me much time.
And you are crazy to learn English. So it's really delighted me.
Oh, nice. No lo entendí otra vez.
And what was your ex-boyfriend name?
Oh, the name, he is Kenneth.
Kenneth.
Kent. Yeah.
He was good person or not?
Is the best in the world.
Great.
Yeah.
That's great, but
Yeah, but. Sorry?
he left you. It's so sad.
Yeah, it's he's old and he worried for my future. You understand me?
Yeah, I understand. Worry about
And-
your future. So,
Yeah. Yeah, and we.
and what you do for living?
What?
I mean, what?
Lo siento, chicos, yo con mi ex me comunicaba con señas de casi de water, agua. With my ex-boyfriend, we speak with a little words in English, but with our hands. You understand? I'm sorry.
He can speak.
Miguel, no te estés riendo, Miguel, vas a ver.
He can speak Spanish. He can
No.
speak. No.
No,
Only you.
no.
Can, only he can speak English.
Yeah, and he don't want learning my language. He's very lazy.
Very lazy. But what's your profession? I mean, what do you do for living?
He's the boss for, I don't know in English. Yeah, but no.
Okay.
Yeah, he knows important.
Okay. What's your profession? I mean, what do you do?
Oh, I'm studying for a doctor,
You're a doctor.
medicine. I'm studying.
Oh, you are a student of medical student. You are a medical student, right?
Yeah. You understand my point. Yes.
Okay. And with,
Very good.
and with,
A todo lo que digas, yes.
okay.
You need learning Spanish. If you speak Spanish, talk to me because it's difficult.
Okay. Teach me something in Spanish. Okay, teach me something in Spanish.
Okay,
now.
what do you want learning?
I want to, if I
Okay,
say, I love you. How can I say?
Oh, I forget Spanish. What?
No, no, you are kidding
I
me. You
don't
are kidding
know.
me.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me. Teach me.
I, I I love you.
It's English. I want
In
to.
Spanish is
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
in Spanish is te amo.
Why are you laughing? Tell
Es
me.
que this word is difficult for me.
Not, it's not. I
Es
only
te.
learn.
Okay, is te
It's
amo.
te amo.
No, te amo.
It's te amo.
Simple. Yeah.
It's te amo. It means I love you.
No, it's no. It's only te amo.
Only te amo. Te amo.
Te amo. Yeah,
Te
yeah.
amo.
You understand?
Okay. Te
Okay,
amo.
in your language, how is this word? In your language.
Ami
Ami?
তোমাকে
Alright. Come on, complete.
আমি তোমাকে
Ami tumake?
ভালোবাসি। ইয়া ভালোবাসি।
Ami tumake.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি। ভালোবাসি।
Ami tumake.
ভালোবাসি। Yes, you got it. আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
Ami tumake. No, just stop.
আমি
It's fine.
তোমাকে ভালোবাসি। It means I love you.
Oh my gosh. Wow. You have two languages. It's impressive. Only you speak two language?
Yeah, I can speak 4 languages.
Two.
4.
Four.
Yeah.
Oh, you are bilingual. You are polyglota. You understand polyglota?
No, I can't.
Okay, you are smart. You are smart.
Okay. And how many?
I'm speak a little German.
German.
Alemán, I don't say. Well,
Germany,
Yeah.
Spanish, and English. 3 languages.
no English now. I need learning is very fast.
No, you're learning.
But
is
thank
good.
you because you know. Nah, you are nice. Are you kidding me?
No.
No, yeah, it's
I'm
a joke.
good because I'm learning. Every day I practice in this platform to speak foreigner like you. And okay, I don't know enough knowledge about Mexico. Can you describe about your country?
Okay. Yes, of course. How is my country?
Yeah.
Mexico is a beautiful country because Mexico have tacos, chilaquiles, guacamole, much food. I don't know in English. Much good food, good food. Yeah, and beautiful women. Yeah,
Beautiful.
Mexico is the best word in the world. Yeah, it's
Okay.
beautiful.
Okay. Everyone.
How is your country?
Okay. Everyone loves her own country.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. And if Mexico, can you share something how your food? I mean, what type of food Mexican people eating?
Oh, tacos. Tacos is it's very famous
Very famous in your country.
everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what?
If you think in Mexico, it's tacos.
Okay.
You know,
What is your favorite dish?
tacos.
Tacos. And what type of food
Tacos.
it is? Can you share with me? What type of
Oh, pizza.
pizza?
Pizza.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's great.